Building passive income is one of the smartest ways to achieve financial freedom in 2025. Whether you want to earn extra money while you sleep or create long-term wealth, these passive income ideas can help you generate consistent earnings with minimal ongoing effort. 1. Dividend stocks. Earn while you hold. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular income without selling your shares. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Coca-Cola pay investors quarterly dividends, providing steady cash flow. Dividend ETFs like Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, VIG, offer diversified exposure to top dividend stocks. 2. Real estate crowdfunding. Own property without the hassle. Real estate is a powerful wealth-building tool, but traditional investing requires large upfront capital. Platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and CrowdStreet let you invest in properties with as little as $500, earning rental income and appreciation without managing tenants. 3. Create and sell digital products. If you have expertise in a specific field, consider selling ebooks, courses, templates, or software. Websites like Gumroad, Udemy, and Teachable allow you to create and sell digital products that generate income long after the initial work is done. 4. High-yield savings accounts and bonds. While interest rates fluctuate, high-yield savings accounts and U.S. Treasury bonds, I-bonds, and corporate bonds offer a safe, low-risk way to earn passive income. Platforms like Ally, Marcus, and Wealthfront provide better interest rates than traditional banks. 5. Print-on-demand business. Design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and other merchandise without handling inventory. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring take care of fulfillment, while you earn royalties on each sale. 6. Automated dropshipping store. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Sell the Trend allow you to set up a dropshipping store where products are shipped directly from suppliers. With the right niche and automation tools, your store can generate sales on autopilot. 7. Create a YouTube channel or blog. Content creation is a powerful passive income stream. By monetizing through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships, you can earn money from YouTube videos or a blog even years after posting. SEO optimization and evergreen content maximize earnings. 8. Affiliate marketing. Earn commission on every sale. Promote products through blogs, YouTube, or social media and earn commissions from platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. No product creation is needed. Just recommend products you trust and earn when someone buys through your link. 9. Vending machines and ATMs. Investing in vending machines or ATMs can generate steady cash flow with little maintenance. High-traffic locations like malls, offices, and gyms maximize profits. Services like vending.com and ATM brokerage help set up and scale your business. 10. Invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without owning property. Companies like Realty Income, O, and Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, pay dividends from rental properties, making them a great passive income option. In 2025, building multiple streams of passive income is key to financial security. Whether through investments, digital assets, or e-commerce, these methods help you earn money with minimal effort over time. Which passive income idea will you try first?